As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Napoleon Prestige PRO 500, both propane grills. Big difference in price right off the bat. The Weber is around $259, and the Napoleon is a hefty $2,499.
Yeah, massive difference. So what do you get for that extra cash with the Napoleon?
Well, size is a huge factor. The Weber has a cooking area of 189 square inches, while the Napoleon boasts a whopping 900. That's like grilling for a small family versus a whole party.
Makes sense. And what about power? I mean, BTU, output and stuff?
The Weber's got a single stainless steel burner producing 8,500 BTU. The Napoleon, on the other hand, has 4 main burners cranking out 80,000 BTU. Plus, it has an infrared side burner and a rear rotisserie burner. Talk about versatility.
Wow, infrared and rotisserie? Fancy. The Weber sounds pretty basic in comparison. What about materials?
Weber uses porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum body and lid. The Napoleon goes all out stainless steel, cooking grids, tube burners, sear plates, the whole shebang. It's built to last, apparently. And it weighs a ton, 254 pounds compared to Weber's 30 pounds.
So portability is a big plus for the Weber then, easy to take tailgating, I guess. What about features? Anything beyond just the burners?
The Weber has electronic ignition and fold-out side tables. It's pretty straightforward. The Napoleon is packed with features. LED-lit control knobs, interior grill lights, a rotisserie kit, and even a safety feature where the knobs glow red if the gas is left on.
Okay, the glowing knobs are cool. Sounds like the Napoleon is more of a permanent outdoor kitchen kind of grill, while the Weber is a portable option.
Exactly. And it uses those small disposable propane cylinders, while the Napoleon needs a standard 20-pound tank. It really comes down to what you need. Small, portable, and affordable, or large. Feature-rich and powerful and, expensive.
Yeah, budget and grilling needs are definitely the deciding factors here. Thanks for the breakdown.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.